Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Microsoft. The report was first published on our website Thursday, September 1, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Microsoft? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since August 26, 2022, our system ranks the Microsoft stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.534. In this period the stock has had a loss of -2.87%. This is an average return of -0.57% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Microsoft, our last headline reads, Microsoft stock price down 0.41% on Thursday. The Microsoft stock price fell by -0.41% on the last day, Thursday, September 1, 2022, from $261.47 to $260.40. It has now fallen 6 days in a row. During the last trading day the stock fluctuated 2.15% from a day low at $255.41 to a day high of $260.89. The price has fallen in 9 of the last 10 days and is down by -10.26% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -1 million shares and in total, 23 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.04 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $349.67, and the lowest price was $241.51. Right now the price is 25.53%, or $89.27, below 52-week high at $349.67, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock has broken the wide and weak rising short-term trend down. This signalizes a slower rate of rising, but may also be an early warning about a possible trend shift. Due to the trend being broken, there will now be resistance at the bottom line of the trend at $264.80. A reaction back to this level may hold a second chance to get out before further falls. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 9.28% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 11.13% and 25.35%. The 12-month trend indicates a -17.39% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -27.54% and -6.53%. This equals a price between $188.69 and $243.41 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Microsoft stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Microsoft stock a neutral rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Microsoft. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. There are few to no technical positive signals at the moment. The Microsoft stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $267.54 and $274.51. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -11.27%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 14 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $251.90, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $5.48 between high and low, or 2.15%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 2.55%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Microsoft. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Microsoft currently has a price-earning ratio of 27.25. This is a relatively normal price-to-earnings ratio and often seen in business with long track record or predictable revenues. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Microsoft meets first resistance at $267.70. If you do not hold Microsoft shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Microsoft finds first level of support at $251.90, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Microsoft is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. On July 15, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside sell of 177,469 of common stock. On June 14, 2022, Hoya Alice L. made an inside buy of 116 of common stock. On June 9, 2022, Warrior Padmashri made an inside buy of 9,235 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 95,425 of restricted stock units. On June 9, 2022, Thompson John Wendell made an inside buy of 61,569 of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -89.754. In total, the insiders bought 16,522,121 and sold 926,244,511 shares in the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, no stop loss set. Is Microsoft stock a buy? The Microsoft stock holds several negative signals, and despite the positive trend, we believe Microsoft will perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Friday 2nd, we expect Microsoft to open down -$1.50 and start trading at $258.90. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.